Welcome to you all in Kanha Math classes for 12th Math under CBSE board concerning to NCERT syllabus. Now I am going to start a very important portion of the integral calculus. As you see on the blackboard, that is the integral by parts. Start a very important portion of the integral, that is integral by parts or integral of the product of two functions. As I have already stated you the weightage of score in exam point of view, the integral calculus is very important. I mean near about 34 marks and above. Hence I will draw your attention about the basic concepts of the integral by part. Basic concept, we will divide the basic concept of integral by part into two parts. That is, in first we will draw your attention about the basic formula. Here we write the first function as the first and second function as the second. Integral of product of first function into second function dx. This shows that the integral of product of two function first into second. By virtue of formula, this is equal to first function into integral of second function minus integral of differential of first d dx of first into integral of second function. You may state very frankly and very straight manner that the integral of the product of two function or integration by part means first function into integral of second function minus integral of differential coefficient of first function into again integral of second function. Now the second basic concept is to how to choose as first function, which part of the product of integral will be chosen as the first function. It will be more easier if you find out the basic concept in choosing the first function. I have narrated here, but in preferential order, that first of all, if you search whether in the product of two function, whether polynomial in x is situated or not. If polynomial in x exists in the product, then you must select as the first function of polynomial in x. Second, if polynomial in x is absent, then you have to choose inverse trigonometrical function. Here I will describe polynomial function or polynomial in x means x square, x cube, etc. This is polynomial in x. And the second inverse trigonometrical function means sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, etc. This is the second concept, second preference. And third, the exponential function, that is ex, e minus x, etc. ये एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन है. अगर वो प्रोडक्ट में एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है, इफ इट एग्जिस्ट इन द प्रोडक्ट, देन यू मस्ट सेलेक्ट एज फर्स्ट फंक्शन द एक्सपोनेंशियल. And now the fourth option, logarithmic function, जैसे log x, log 2x, log xm, etc. I mean, I have explained you a easier and easier method of choosing the first function of the product of two function. In preferential order, we may narrate. First of all, we will choose the first function as polynomial in x, like this. Second option, inverse trigonometrical function, sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x. And third preference, exponential function, ex, e minus x, etc. And the fourth preference of choosing first function is log x, log 2x, log xm, etc. Now, if you very successfully choose the first function, the trial of integral becomes easier and easier. Now, we will try this aspect, this concept in solving the question under exercise 7.6 from the question 1. From the question 1. Now, the first question is under exercise 7.6 is integral x sin x dx. It's very clearly open. If you have to select the first function and second function, and if you are unable to select the first function, the second remaining will be automatically second function. Here we see that here lies x, polynomial in x, it will be chosen as first function, and sin x will automatically be the second function. Now look towards the basic formula of the product of two function or integral by part. Then you see in right hand first function means x into integral of second function means sin x dx. First function into integral of second function minus integral of differential of first d dx of x into integral of second sin x dx. Here we observe and want to project your attention on the blackboard that utilizing the basic formula of integral or integration by parts, the first function into integral of second function minus integral of differential of the first function into integral of the second function. Now, you know by the very virtue of the formula integral of sin x dx, integral of sin x dx is sin x dx is equal to cos x. Integral of, now first function into integral of second function means minus cos x minus integral of differential of first d dx of x means d dx of x means 1 into sin x dx. As I have already stated you, the integral of sin x dx will be equal to minus cos x and dx by virtue of sin integral lies here. Then this will be minus x cos x minus plus here integral cos x dx. Ultimately this will become minus x cos x, and cos x, integral of cos x means sin x, and this is constant. This will be the requisite integral of question number 1. Thank you for watching this video, and I will start the question from 2 and onwards in the next video. Please like and subscribe the video. Thanks you.